Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the word outcast. It might seem simple, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is outcast. Let's break it down. First, we have out, which rhymes with about and shout. Then comes cast, which sounds like cast in broadcast or forecast. Now, let's put it all together. Outcast. Try repeating after me, outcast. Now a little faster, outcast. And at full speed, outcast. Keep practicing and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Outcast refers to someone who has been rejected or excluded from a group, often because they are seen as different or not conforming. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce outcast and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.